I'm making more than $10,600 a month with this Faceless channel, and in this video I'm going to explain exactly how I'm doing it and how I'm managing to make more than $400, even more than $500 a day. As you can see, the income is around $300 or $400 daily, more or less. In the last 28 days, I've had 1,900,000 views. The channel already has more than 52,000 subscribers, and as you can see, the RPM in this niche is pretty good. I have an RPM of around $6. In this video, I'm going to show you absolutely everything so you can copy me, and above all, so you can automate everything as much as possible, ideally making videos in 2 minutes with my private strategy, which I'm using, for example, on this channel. Before anything else, obviously, I'll reload the page so you can see everything's real, and the income you're seeing is real, and obviously, I'll also show you this is in US dollars, so you see it's not in pesos or anything like that. And well, the views in the last 48 hours are also going pretty well. As you see, the channel keeps getting views and keeps growing. It's not going down, it's going up, as you can see here in the graph roughly. All right, so here I'm basically going to show you all the steps you have to take and what I recommend. I'm going to show you basically how you can automate everything in 2 minutes to have a successful channel. The first thing I'm going to show you is the setup you need to have for your channel and basically how to get the maximum trust score possible. Most people already know this, but you need an aged YouTube channel, whether premium quality or with the advanced features activated. This is really important since this type of channel has a lot of trust score and a lot of history, so you'll be able to get past that views barrier. Plus, having the advanced features activated is already a huge advantage because the ID is already active. Then, the next thing you're going to need is a US proxy, which is also going to let you improve your trust score and manage everything safely across multiple channels. And last, you're going to need a browser like Dolphin. This is the safest way to manage your channels and get the best trust score possible. And it's the one I'm using. The first thing you'll need is the aged YouTube channel. So you can go here, for example, and that's it. You get an aged YouTube channel and done. You can get an aged YouTube channel with advanced features. You have all the links in the description of this video so you can access them directly. As you see, these are channels with a lot of history. Then what you're going to need is a dedicated proxy. Basically a proxy that only you can use and nobody else, so no other user dirties your IP, and this IP stays a fresh IP with no problems of any kind. So here, the only thing you have to do is copy the proxy's credentials. Obviously, you're going to have to buy the proxy, so you go here to this section and buy the proxy. Obviously, it depends on how many channels you want. If you're going to manage multiple channels, you need more proxies. If you're only going to manage one, you just need one proxy, and that's basically it. This would be the first step. In my case, I use this provider, which is already optimized for this, and it works pretty well for me. The only thing you have to do is copy the link, well, not the link, I mean the credentials. Copy the credentials. Then you go here to a browser like this one, and here, the only thing you have to do is click where it says Create Profile, and go to where it says New Proxy. Here you select whichever one you want. Basically, this depends on the protocol on the website, and paste the proxy's credentials. Then you're gonna have to wait for the proxy to be checked, and that's it. Basically, you'll be able to have all your channels here. As you see, there are a lot of profiles. This is basically like Chrome. It's really similar, and that's basically it. It's really simple, and it's something everyone recommends, and I recommend it too. So now that you already have the whole setup in place, which is the most important part, I'm going to talk to you about the second step and then the third step, which is the most important one and the one that's going to surprise you, because I'm going to show you one of my private tools that I'm using for my channels. For example, for this channel where I made more than $10,600 last month, like I've already shown you, and more channels I have, which you might be seeing on screen right now, which I've already shown in other videos. The second step, you're going to have to make a good script. I recommend you always get a reference, because if you don't, Claude isn't going to understand the script style you want, and it's going to come out really generic. So you need a reference. You grab a few reference scripts you like, and that's it. The only thing you do afterward is go to Claude, send it the scripts, and tell it to analyze the style of those scripts and make an original script. But for you, for your YouTube channel, and that's it, it's going to do it. So that step of getting a reference for the script would already be done, and you'd already have a viral script. Then you could do the same thing for the thumbnail too. You could use Gemini or Flow and tell it to make you a thumbnail also with a reference in the same style, for example. That's basically how to generate scripts and thumbnails in the simplest way possible with AI. And once you have everything, once you already have the script and the whole setup done and everything, then what I recommend is that you to use this tool, which is a tool I found yesterday. And honestly, it works incredibly well. So you understand what I mean? Basically, what this tool is going to do is put together a whole video for you. It's going to add the footage, the animations, the motion graphics, the sound effects, the music, the subtitles, absolutely everything. Here you can see an example in this preview of how it puts everything together. It uses really good animations. Basically, it's like VidRush. I mean, you already know what VidRush does. Well, this website is almost the same. And well, the difference is pretty big, not in quality, but in price, because VidRush costs around $40 per video, even more, or $50 per video. But this tool costs around $1 per video. All right, a bit over $1 per video. So it's the one I'm using, and it works exactly the same way. The only thing you have to do is paste your video's script here, all right? Then here you select whichever voice you like most, all right? These are voices like the ones on 11 Labs, but they already come included in the program. So here, well, you fill in all these options, select them, and you can already generate the video, all right? And the video gets made in 20 minutes. I mean, it's pretty fast. Well, in fact, I'm going to show you an example I've been making for one of my channels so you can see the quality. All right, this whole thing I made with one click, all right? The entire video I made just with one click, pasting the script exactly like I just showed you. And basically, it's going to put together the whole video with all the animations and absolutely everything. I mean, it's incredible that this can be done. As you see, it puts in all the motion graphics and everything, and well, basically a complete video with everything a viral video needs. What I like most about this application, I mean about this software, besides the animations and everything, is that the clips are real. I mean, they're not stock clips that nobody wants to watch. They're real clips. And well, this program works really well, and I recommend it a lot since you can do all of this in literally 10 minutes with just one click. So this is the tool I'm using. You can even edit the video afterward if you want and everything. And well, this would be the last step. As you see here, we already have the whole setup done. We'd also have made the video, and we'd already have everything done. I mean, the only thing you have to do is find a profitable niche. Then this would basically be all the steps you have to follow to have a viral channel. First, starting with the trust score, doing the whole setup, then taking the right references, and then automating everything with one click with programs like GoMotion. And it's pretty simple. By the way, if you want to get results like the ones I'm getting, or similar, or monetize your first channel, you're in luck because you can join my private program where I give you a pre-monetized channel and teach you the system to scale it to more than $10,000 a month in less than 90 days. Only 4 spots are left. And here I basically teach you everything. I give you the pre-monetized channel, which is the most important part. Then you're also going to get the full course, my private systems, my private strategies, and you're basically going to have access to me 24 hours a day. And I'm going to help you with absolutely everything, both picking the niche and guiding you through everything. The price is completely ridiculous since you're getting a pre-monetized channel included. So, well, I imagine this offer isn't going to be available for very long. So if you're interested, you have the link in the description of this video, and I'll see you inside the academy.